These are bird of paradise plants that I just found at this nursery. Now there's something about them I want to point out to you, and that is these symptoms that you see here on the leaves. Look at how this leaf is discolored and turning brown. What caused this? This is sunburn. Now, bird of paradise plants love the sun. They like to be out in the sun from the time it comes up until the time it goes down. What in the world would cause a plant that loves the sun to burn like this? Adaptation. These plants were grown in shady conditions by the grower. They were shipped to the nursery in a truck, and when the nursery unloaded them, they put them out in a sunny parking lot for a few hours before bringing them into the nursery. The grower grew them in shade, so when they were in the sun in the parking lot, it burned them. Now the lesson here is that if you move a plant from lower light conditions to much higher light conditions, it may burn even if it's a plant that likes those conditions. Now this is a lesson we need to consider when we take plants we've wintered inside over the cold winter weather and move them outside for the summer. Move them to the shade. If you move them to the sun, they're used to the lower light inside and they may burn. Vegetable transplants were raised in greenhouses, oftentimes shaded and pampered. When we plant those vegetables into our gardens in the full sun, they may burn. Now, to get around this, you can adapt the plants. And here's how you do that. Take a plant that's been grown in the shade, move it to a spot that gets morning sun for about a week, then move it to a spot that gets full sun for a few days, and then put it out in full sun in the garden or plant it in your vegetable garden. So again, be aware of sunburn. It can occur on your plants when they shift from a lower light to a higher light condition. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU Ag Center.